chapter 78.
在78章的时候，
That Allah Ta'ala said this. What are they talking about? عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم. They are talking about the huge news, the very big news, which is the day of judgment.
就他们在谈论什么呢？他们在谈论非常巨大的一个消息。那这个消息是关于审判日的一个消息。
But when we finish reciting Quran or reading Quran, what we say?
我们古兰经念完之后要说什么？
We say Sadaqallahu al-Azim. It means Allah, the greatest, is telling the truth.
他说阿拉最伟大的，他告诉我们的是事实。
So Azim, it means great or huge and very big.
它可以代表伟大的，或者是巨大的、非常大的。
But maybe in Chinese it is different, so this is why we wrote. This is why Hanan wants to correct what you have in your handout. Okay? So see, look at the meme at the end.
你看到字尾的这个meme，
This is one way of writing the meme at the end.
这是一种字尾的写法。
There is another way. See? It is not easy to recognize that this is meme.
这个很难辨识，说它这个就是 meme。
But sometimes you may find it like this, so you should know that this is also meme.
你说看到人家这样写，所以你要知道说这个也是 meme 的意思。
Okay, and you still can write it like this is still okay.
这样写也是可以。
Okay? So you can choose any of them, they are okay. Clear?
这样清楚吗？
Azim. Azim. And there is another word that has meme at the end. It is good also for us to learn it. Which is, this is noon, this is ayn, this is meme. Na'am. Na'am. And na'am means yes.
是的，可以是肯定字，肯定词。
Na'am. And of course, yes, exactly the same as how we use it in English. So it has a lot of meanings.
它跟英文的 yes 是一样的意思，所以还有可以代表很多的意思。
Because I still can ask you a question, then you can say yes.
因为我会问一个问题，你可以说是的。
And you can say
Okay, 可以。
yes.
哦，耶。
Got it? So I can say, for example, do you like this person or do you like this food?
你喜欢这个食物吗？
Then I say, no. Means if this is the only food you have, it's okay.
所以说我只有这个，没有选择，所以可以。
And I still can say, no. Means this is the food that I like.
就是说，这个就是我爱吃的。
And this is something also important in Arabic.
这个是在阿拉伯语也很重要。
In general, the tone in Arabic is very important.
就阿拉伯语的这个声调其实也很重要的。
That you can even change the sentence into a question only by the tone.
你可以把一 sentence into question。
Yes, only by the tone.
你可以借由你这个发音的声调，可以把一个肯定句
The
变
same-
成疑问句，
The same words exactly
字都一样。
at the same place, but once you say it like this tone, once you say it in another tone, it will change the normal sentence into a question.
就是你的声调不同的话，会把一句那个肯定句变成疑问句。
And I don't know, I think that you have similar in Chinese also. Yeah. So this we need to also to notice. Okay, so this is the meme. Then after meme, we have this is the line, and see we have this letter, which is this, which is this, and also this. And this letter is Noon. Noon. Noon is normal N.
它是跟一般的 n 是一样的。
Noon, na, nu, ni, na, nu, ni. Noon also has no problem right and left.
左右都可以接字，
Beginning in the middle it is the same. Beginning in the middle it is the same.
它的字首跟字中是一样，
But at the end we have to close it.
但是在字尾也是要收尾。
And here we write one word which we have just brought it.
这个字我们刚才讲过，
Na'am. And na'am means yes. And when it is at the middle, and here is the line. And we know this word, insan, means human. Insan. See, this is, anyway, although it looks like at the beginning because the other cannot be done, but it is the same. Like, for example, what is this? No. This is Hanan, the name of my wife, and maybe some others. See, this is the noon when it is at the middle. If we want to write it in a very correct way, it is like this. And this is the noon when it is at the end. Okay? So, insan. Now, in fact, just for your information, the word noon by itself, this is like 85 maybe percent of Arabs, they don't know what I'm going to tell you now.
现在这
So
个
you
论
have to
这
be
个
proud of what you are going to learn.
这个字论这个字呢，大概有80%阿拉伯人也不知道。我接下来跟你们讲的。
Noon is one of the names of the well. You know that
金鱼的一个名字
big
，fish，
fish or not fish, shark, or anyway, well.
金鱼。
Noon is well in
或
English.
者这个字本身它是金鱼的意思，
This is one of the things, as I told you, that a lot of Arabs, they don't know it.
很多阿拉伯人他也不知道说论这个字母，它这个发音就是金鱼的意思。
And this word mentioned in Quran,
这个是在古兰经有提到，
it is in chapter 21.
在第21章，
That when Allah Ta'ala is telling us the story of the Prophet Yunus.
就讲到那个约拿 Yunus 他的故事。
The Prophet Yunus was the prophet who was swollen by the well.
约拿他就是被这个金鱼吞到肚子里面去。
So Allah Ta'ala mentioned him. He said, وَذَنُّونَ إِذْ ذَهَبَ مُغَاضِبًا فَظَنَّ أَن لَّن نَّقْدِرَ عَلَيْهِ فَنَادَى فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ أَن لَّا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا أَنتَ سُبْحَانَكَ إِنِّي كُنتُ مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. And this is one supplication. لَا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا أَنتَ سُبْحَانَكَ إِنِّي كُنتُ مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ.
这也是一个祈祷词。
O Allah, no God but you. All glory be to you. I was unjust to myself. وأنت أرحم الراحمين. O Allah,
他说：“阿拉，
no God but you.
除了你之外，没有其他的神，
Subhanak means all glory be to you.
所有的荣耀归于你。
إني كنت من الظالمين. I was unjust to myself.
就是我对我自己做出了不义的、不正义的事情、不公平的事情。
So when you are in a trouble,
当你遇到困难的时候，
when you are under stress,
当你承受很大的压力，
when you are under pressure,
你的压力很大，
all what you have to do
你要做的只要是，
is to say لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
就念这一句话，这个祈祷词。
Because the answer is in Quran.
因为这个你念完这祈祷词的话，阿拉会怎么回答你？在古兰经里面有写。
Right away, the ayah after this, Allah says, فَاسْتَجَبْنَا لَهُ وَنَجَّيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْغَمِّ. We reply him right away and we save him from the stress he has.
就是说，他这个简介的他下面的一节古兰经，他就说呢，我就是答复了他，然后我马上就是让他从这个压力当中释放出来。
And the most beautiful thing in this ayah is the end.
那这一段经文最美的是在它的结尾。
At the end, Allah says, وَكَذَلِكَ نُنْجِي الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. This is what we do to all believers.
那阿拉结尾他说呢，这是阿拉对所有的信士、信仰他的人都会这么做。
This is for us to know, because someone may say, yeah, this is to the Prophet Yunus.
因为有人可能会讲说，对啊，阿拉回答他是跟那个约拿先知回答的。
But Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala already replied, it is not only to the Prophet Yunus, وَكَذَلِكَ نُنْجِي الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. It is to all believers.
那阿拉还跟我们讲说，他不是只有对先知约拿，是对所有的信士都做同样的答复。
So we go back to Noon.
那我们再回来论这个字，
It is a letter,
它是一个字母，
but also it means well.
但它的本身的意思就是金鱼。
Okay? Na'am.
نعم
Na'am.
نعم
Na'am.
نعم
Insan.
إنسان
Insan.
إنسان.
Okay. Now we go to one letter that is related to another letter, and I hope that it will not really confuse you, but try to focus on what am I going to say. You want to
下
translate
下
what I
面这
said?
个字母，它跟另外一个字母有一些关系，那希望大家不要搞混。
And also focus on how am I writing this
那
letter.
你要注意一下要怎么写，
This is one of the ways of
这
writing
是
the
其
letter.
中一种写法，
One big, one small.
就是一个大的，然后里面包一个小的。
Okay, this letter is Ha. It is normal H.
跟英文的 H 是一样的发音，
Okay, very normal H.
非常普通的呵的音。
Ha. Ha. Same as how in English. Ha. Who. Who. Same as who in English. Who. Who. He. Same as hero in English. So it is ha, who, he. Exactly the same as this H.
跟 H 的哈呼伊是一样的发音。
Ha. Who. He. Ha. Who. He. Now, this letter is also the same right and left, has no problem,
它左右都可以连字，
but it is different way of writing when it is at the beginning or middle or end.
但是它在字首、字中、字尾，它的写法是不一样的。
So when it is at the beginning,
在字首的